Most of us send emails every day, but how do we know which emails are getting the highest open rates? Which template engages the reader the most? Logging emails into Salesforce seems the most obvious answer, but unless we look at that data at a larger scale, it is difficult to gauge what is and what isn't working. Cirrus Insight Analytics makes sifting through all this information easier, revealing areas that are doing great and others that might need some improvement. To get access to Cirrus Insight Analytics, you'll first need to install from our website. All you have to do is go to the control panel on the Cirrus Insight dashboard, find the new Analytics sync, click Enable Analytics Sync, then select Update. And there you have it. You are now syncing Cirrus Insight Analytics to Salesforce. Once you're all set up, the below dashboards will become available to you in Salesforce. You'll be able to find them in the Cirrus Insight Adoption folder located under the Reports tab in Salesforce. Let's take a look at some of the information you can glean from each of these dashboards. The email and calendar sync dashboards allow you to see exactly that. How much information is going into Salesforce by day, week, and even sales rep. That email data is further broken down by sent and received emails for even more visibility. You can see that here. Email tracking. If you've used Cirrus Insight, you're probably quite familiar with this feature by now. However, you've only known how well your emails are performing. What about those of your sales reps? Or how email tracking improves week over week. The new email tracking dashboard allows you to aggregate that data and create meaningful reports in Salesforce. Next up, the email template effectiveness and campaign tracking dashboards dig into the details of which emails and email campaigns are performing particularly well. Like the other dashboards, you're able to easily segment the information by sales rep, individual email template, and campaign. By knowing which email templates and campaigns have the highest open and reply rates, you can tailor that information to even more potential customers. One of the largest problems for any organization is getting reps to actually use Salesforce. That's where this dashboard comes into play. You'll see data entered directly into Salesforce as blue, and the information entered through Cirrus as green. This is useful for tracking overall Salesforce adoption, as well as seeing how Cirrus Insight has directly contributed to that Salesforce usage. Finally, the Cirrus Insight leaderboard takes the green, or Cirrus Insight data, from the Salesforce adoption dashboard and breaks it down even further. Want to know which rep is logging the most emails through Cirrus or completing the most tasks? Here's where you'll go to find that information. Access all of this just by using Cirrus Insight.